Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your TikTok password if you forgot it. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your browser, click on your profile picture on the top right and click on manage your Google account. Here you need to scroll and click on security. Then you simply need to scroll down and in the bottom you can see password manager. Click on that option, scroll down again. Here you can see TikTok. Click on that option, click on continue. Here you need to enter your pattern and it will take few seconds. Okay, so here is my password that is saved. So if you want to copy, click on that, and if you want you can click on this eye icon to view this here and go back to your account and log in. So this is the process by which you can see your TikTok password if you forgot it. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.